I cook chicken soup. It's sinigang and nilaga combination. I use the tamarind soup mix. It's a sour soup with chicken, and I put carrots and some potatoes, cabbage, salt and pepper, and the tamarind soup. Tamarind is very sour, so I put salt and fish sauce. So this will be my lunch and dinner. So let's eat, guys. Yummy, yummy. Tamarind soup mix. Try this one, it's good. It's a Filipino favorite.